One of the most beautiful yet aggressive fish in the underwater world is the betta fish, also known as the Siamese fighting fish. These fish are popular worldwide in the aquarium hobby due to their vibrant colors and unique behavior. Betta fish originate from Southeast Asia, especially countries like Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. They naturally live in low-oxygen environments such as rice paddies, shallow ponds, and canals. One of the most unique features of betta fish is their special organ called the labyrinth organ. This allows them to breathe oxygen not only from water, but also directly from the air. Because of this adaptation, they can survive even in low oxygen water conditions. Male betta fish are highly territorial and aggressive. If two male bettas are placed in the same tank, they may engage in serious fights. This is why they are called fighting fish. However, female bettas are generally less aggressive. Betta fish are known for their stunning appearance, with long flowing fins and vibrant colors. They come in a variety of colors such as red, blue, purple, white, and multicolored. There are also different fin types, including half moon, crown tail, and veil tail. Although betta fish are relatively easy to care for, proper maintenance is essential. They require a tank of about 5 to 10 liters, a moderate temperature between 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, and clean water. Avoid overfeeding and ensure regular water changes to keep them healthy. With their combination of beauty and aggression, betta fish hold a unique place in the aquarium world. If you are interested in the aquarium hobby, a betta fish can be a great starting point.